Situated a mile and a half from the coast, Calais-Marck has 1,535 metres of tarmac runway oriented 0624, a useful difference of 70 degrees to Le Touquet's 1331, so if there is a crosswind at one, the wind will be more down the runway at the other. You can call Leal Information on 120.275 mid-channel for a flight information service, as the tower at Calais is not always staffed and there is no ATIS. All circuits are to the north, so usually you'll be joining downwind for 24 right or 06 left. Parking is on the southwest apron. Customs and immigration require only 2 hours prior notice. Both Avgas and Jet A1 are available, and La Brasserie de Aviators will refuel the crew. When departing 24 to the south, remember not to turn left too early to avoid overflying the village of Mark. There are no similar problems leaving from 06, but remember the prohibited area up to 3,300 feet, 4.4 miles from the 24 threshold. With low landing fees, €10 for our DR400 in June 2022, this is a great gateway to France, though it is coastal, so watch the weather.